banana, yellow delight. Peel it and eat it morning or night. C is for cherry, tiny and red. They dance together on your bread. D is for dragon fruit, pink and cool. Looks like magic, tastes so beautiful. E is for elderberry, purple and small. Bouncing berries, having a ball. F is for fig, soft and round. Sweet little fruit from the ground. G is for grape, rolling free. Purple or green, come sing with me. H is for honeydew, cool and green. Juiciest fruit you've ever seen. I is for Indian fig, desert friend. Sweet prickly fruit from end to end. J is for jackfruit, big and strong. Spiky and tasty all day long. K is for kiwi, fuzzy brown skin. Green inside with seeds within.
M for mango, golden glow. Tasty juice from head to toe to toe.
O for orange. P for a pineapple.
That's something right. Q for a quince.
R is for raspberry, tiny and red. Jumping on flowers over your head. S is for strawberry, juicy and bright. Heart-shaped fruit in the moonlight. T is for tangerine, small and sweet. Rolling and dancing to the beat. U is for ugly fruit, funny name too. Sweet inside and good for you. V is for vanilla, W is for watermelon. Juicy and wide, splishy splashy on a slide. X is for shigwa, green and red. Rolling around near your bed. Y is for yumberry, tiny and sweet. Bouncing happy on your seat.